Okay, this is an update on I've got my engine swap for the Lotus Esprit. This is the trans out of the Esprit S2. The frame is the 84 turbo frame. I got my adapter plate all made now. Everything lines up really nice. I got plenty of room up front. The trans, I drilled this frame's cross member to match the S2 so I could use the S2 mounts up top. That made it simple to align everything. I had to cut the ears off the bottom of the S2 caliper and gearbox mount to make it fit, and I'm going to probably grind these down so I can fit these something like this and re-weld them on so I can use the lower mounts also. Pretty simple so far. I'm going to use custom CV joints to make everything simple. So far everything's pretty simple.